Hello, my name is Steve Sales here at Amato Nissan. I'm here to talk to you about the 2018 Titan XD Diesel. Heavy duty capability in a light duty package. All this extraordinary capability begins up front with Titan. Shown here is a 5-liter Cummins V8 diesel. Cummins is the most trusted name in the diesel industry. In fact, this is the same engine Cummins uses in its marine or boating applications, making it even more durable and longer lasting than any other diesel engine in its competition. The engine itself is made from composite graphic iron, or CGI. This design makes the engine both lighter and stronger than all other diesels in the pickup truck market. This engine produces an incredible 305 horsepower and an even more astounding 555 pound-feet of torque, more torque than anywhere else in its class. This engine is outfitted with an industry-exclusive whole-set 2-stage turbocharger. The first stage gives pure acceleration punch at the low end. The second stage gives constant raw power at the top of the rev band, so there is no turbo lag at all. Ceramic glow plugs are outfitted as standard. These plugs never need replacing. Also standard is a clean diesel class-exclusive particulate filter for low emissions offered nowhere else. Aisin, the largest and most trusted transmission manufacturer in the world, makes a heavy-duty 6-speed transmission to the power plant. All of this makes the Titan powertrain the most capable and versatile setup in its class. Zero-gravity seats, a Nissan and an industry exclusive, are also offered as standard. These seats make longer trips much less fatiguing than conventional seats offered by the competition. The rear seats both fold up and fold flat, offering more space for precious cargo. Also, an industry exclusive full-length load floor with lock-in cargo organizer is offered. The interior is massive with an uncommonly large center console for extra storage. Exclusive only to Titan are glove-friendly buttons, allowing one to operate the buttons in winter without taking the gloves off. Titan features a simple, easy-to-read dash with exclusive center drive assist display for easy monitoring of operations. Another Titan exclusive is a unique centerline display for allowing your trailer to the hitch. Also, both intelligent blind spot as well as rear cross traffic alert are offered as well. The Titan front end is very large and aggressively styled with a very large honeycomb grille and large LED lighting. Shown here are 18-inch wheels, and 20-inch wheels are also available. Titan is the only truck with full-length step rails offered as standard, allowing access not only to the cabin but to the truck bed as well. Titan uses very large mirrors that extend for better viewing while towing and fold for fitting in tight spots. Most critical to any truck is its ability to handle cargo and to tow. Unique only to Titan is its ability for gooseneck towing. No other truck offers this. We do it as standard. These heavy-duty fittings are integrated directly into the frame, giving Titan up to a class-leading tow capability of 12,310 pounds. Even the bed itself can support a class-leading 2,600 pounds of cargo. Standard also is an electronic brake controller for those heavy loads. Another feature exclusive to Nissan is the remote trailer light check from the key fob. This eliminates the need to run back and forth or to use 2 people for checking trailer light. Titan XD comes standard with a factory spray and bread liner for protection of cargo, something either not offered or optional with the competition. Also is the Utilitrack system, which allows one to secure cargo into the bed. Nissan lines the Titan bed with 4 LED lights for lighting at night. No one else has this. Another exclusive feature is a 120-volt power outlet that delivers up to 500 watts of power. Finally, Nissan is the only manufacturer who offers a dual-weighted tailgate for tailgate management. Last but not least, Titan carries the longest and best warranty in the industry. No one else even comes close to offering the 5-year, 100,000-mile comprehensive warranty of Titan. Titan, heavy-duty capability in a light-duty truck. Thank you for exploring the all-new Titan diesel with me. For more information, go to www.amatonissan.com. Amato, where we are driven to make you happy.